Hello, sewing friends. This is SewCanShe Studio Chat number 4. And I've got something new to show you. Something that has kept me busy all week long. All week long with barely any sewing. And you know what that is? A new puppy! Oh my goodness, look at this little guy. Look at this little guy. Because of him, I have hardly gotten anything done because who's the one that has to get up 5:30 in the morning with the puppy? And who's the one who gets to crate train the puppy all day long because she works from home? Yeah, that's me. So, anyway, but he's super cute, don't you think? And I've got one sewing project done this week, and that is this little collar. Because, you know, after the rehoming rescue fee and after vet bill, yeah, getting a puppy is expensive. So I thought I could make a collar, right? I've already made a ton of dog leashes. And it's just fabric and Velcro and one D-ring. And if I wanted to, I could put another D-ring on here to use for the leash, but he's not leash trained yet. Or we could just like hook the leash onto this. But anyway, super easy. And that has been my sewing this week because I've been crate training a puppy. Anyway, I hope you've had a wonderful week and you've got lots of sewing done. All right, say goodbye, Kirby. Bye. Hope you're having a great week. See ya.